Good morning, everyone. We are going to start a GD. First of all, you have to give a short introduction about yourself, then we will start. Now, you can give one by one.
Hello
Hello
everyone,
and
my
good
name
morning.
is Nilesh Kumar and I am from Bhabua, Bihar, and I have completed my BCom honors from Banaras Hindu University.
Hello
Good
and good
morning,
morning, everyone.
everyone.
My name is Siddhi Dubey. I am from Balia and I am a graduate in Bachelor's of Commerce. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aditi
I'm
Jain,
from
and
Prayagraj,
I'm
Uttar
from.
Pradesh. I have done my BCom from Allahabad State University.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aditi Jain, and I'm from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. I did my graduation from BTech in Food Technology from Shuats, Prayagraj.
Good
Good
morning
morning,
everyone, my name is Kar.
My name is Vijay Yadav. I belong to Pratapgarh. My previous education BSc AG.
Good morning,
Good morning
everyone.
everyone, my
Mohammed
name is
Abdullah.
Kartik
I
Tiwari.
am from Varanasi. I have completed my BCom honors from Banaras Hindu University. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kartik Tiwari. I did my graduation in science with discipline mathematics. I am from Radhabad, Uttar Pradesh. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Prajot Rasta. I am belong from Azamgarh. I have done graduation from State University in Geography. Thank you.
Everyone, this is Pooja Kumari. I am from Darbhanga, Bihar. I have done my BTech from Raj Kaviram Dhari Zindinkar College of Engineering, Begusarai.
Okay. Anyone is left? Okay.
No, sir.
See, your GD topic is social media, impact on human behavior and society. I am repeating, you can write down. Social media, impact on human behavior and society. Is it clear?
Yes,
I am again
sir.
repeating. Social media, impact on human behavior and society. We will have a discussion around 15 to 20 minutes and we will start after 2 minutes. Okay. Now you can start.
Thanks for giving
Okay,
me
Good
so I
morning
would like.
everyone, I am glad to start the discussion on
we
this
are
topic.
we are familiar about the social media, so I am not going to explain what is the social media. We have the facing the main problem. Whether the social media is a boon or a bane for our society, it totally depend upon person to person how is it used. If you use social media properly, then it will give you bulk of knowledge and knowledge about the subject. But when you use not properly, then it will destroy your day-to-day life. You will
Exactly, my
addicted.
friend. I would like to add a
Yes,
point to this. That yes,
I
social
agree with
media
you,
is a
my
very
friend. Like
very good
social media
platform that
gives us the platform for global connection across the world. It provides us the platform for sharing infinite knowledge across the world. It keeps us updated about what's going in the world, like technology wise and government wise, even international affairs, national affairs. We can also
Yes, I
share
agree
our
with you,
thoughts.
Aditi. And I also want to add some points that we can get some extra knowledge like study materials, or we can get updated news from the various news channels. And because all the news channels are mostly on the social media platforms nowadays, and
yeah,
so we
exactly
can
what you are
communicate
trying
with
to say is
I
that
would
there is
also
everyone
no
like
in.
to add a
biasness on
point that
the social media.
I would like to speak the negative effects of social media. Like social media, political advertisements are present on social media. So social media is playing with the minds of the young generation. Like social media has artificial intelligence induced in it. So like whatever topic we see, like
Yes, my
if we
friend, I am agree with your
Sorry
point.
to
I want to
interrupt
add
you,
something
but
that
I
the
am agree with
if
the
your
first
point.
friend had
we
said
see
that
current
it depends on the
situation,
person to person. I
but
would say
if
it
we
also depends
see,
on the social media platforms, because
like
if
one
social
person
media
is
platform
Agree with
is
you, my
good,
friend. I am
yes,
it
agree with you.
block the fake
Social
I
news.
media
agree
is the
with you.
power
Like,
Will
common
block the
people,
fake news.
and the
more of
power
the
is always
advertisements
not
which are
favorable for any person. It will be dangerous also. Like social media, by the social media, we can easily access the dark
sorry to
web.
interrupt
The
you,
dark
brother.
web is the
Sorry to
problem of
interrupt you.
it
You should
can
not
it
target
can't be
this.
controlled by the police or any agency. So the social media is not only used for the benefit. It is also dangerous for society and the human beings.
but it
Yes,
totally
it is
depends
dangerous,
on
but
the
as
human
well as it is.
behavior.
I have a different opinion
Right,
on
like
that.
if people want to
Especially
get
the social media,
destroyed,
as you
then
people are saying that it is dangerous to the minds of the youngsters, right? You are clinging on the point of that. So what I basically feel is that social media is definitely not playing with the minds of the youngsters, because everything has its merits and demerits, right? It is the person who chooses whether the media has to play with the one's mind or not. So certainly the playing with the mind thing that you guys are saying, it is definitely wrong.
I slightly have
Person
a
has
different
to.
yes,
opinion
I
It's
on
agree
totally
with you, my
dependent on the
friend.
I
user.
slightly have a different opinion
Totally
because
dependent on the
teenagers are
user.
also
Yes,
there on social media. Many
sorry
teenagers
to
use
you, my
social
friend.
media, so
I am
they are
also
usually
mentioned that
influenced by the scenes which are present there.
social media is a bane or a boon. It is depend upon person who will use it. Without social media, we can't assume our life in the modern society.
Yeah,
Exactly what
definitely.
I
I
One
would
want to
has
like to
to
add.
get the
Like
experience,
if
whether
we
it's
talk
bad or
about
not.
if we talk
And
about
it
traditional.
depends upon the person who wants to choose the merit side or
yes,
the
yes,
demerit side, right?
Yes,
and like
There
Vimal
are very
said
good
depends on the
before,
person, but
tips which
Vimal
will
said it
people
before,
are giving
the
more and
news
more
channels
on the
are
social
fake
media.
or not.
Not
Because
bad.
people are addicted to
Person who will
something,
use it depend
so they don't
upon
give
how to,
time to their
but it is
family. They
not a bad
use social media
but
all the time.
through social media, we can send the information to the remote location also. You can say that now.
Yeah,
Yeah, it has
exactly.
been
The ease of
helpful during
communication
the
that
lockdowns,
social media
as we
has
have seen
provided
that
to us
link
nowadays,
targeting
is
has been
something
done
that should
social
really be
media.
considerable, right?
Yeah, and
The ease of
Yes.
communication.
in today's world, we know that our journalism is, on the one side, and it all media is not that good enough to portray each and every thought. So how can we say that news channels or news which are coming on the social media have one propaganda, because
Yes,
news
like
channels are
Exactly
itself
what I would.
biased.
And friends,
Okay,
everything
sorry.
everything
Yes,
is
one
in
Like just two
marketing
aspects.
purpose, also positive or
nowadays
negative.
everyone
Everyone is
is
dependent on
of
social media, and they are getting more
information. Social
information,
I think we
latest
should go
information
one by
regarding
one,
the
guys.
for
product.
the propaganda. It also separate the news base.
some of the news is verified
It
because
depends
the
upon
page is just
propaganda is depend upon media agency and
showing
what
wrong
kind of
information
news they
also.
want to circulate.
And guys, everything has two aspects, positive and negative. Can we look towards the positive side? Because
I'm sorry to interrupt you, my friend, but the ease that the social media has provided nowadays, everything is available with just a click of a button, right? So that was not available when social media was not there, and now that it has been invented, something
yes, yes, yes.
it has
Yes,
created
yes.
something that means you can get
Friends, as we
everything
have
and
seen in during
anything from
lockdown,
pin to click
now I can
Even
give
if
you
we
Sorry
example
for
on
if
that.
interrupt you, but
we
Now I
see
sorry
can
in
for
give you
interrupt
COVID
you,
example
but
on
what
that. If
situation,
but
when
anyone
many
need,
here
people are admitted to hospitals and they want to
yes,
go
yes,
to
yes, that's
hospital,
what
then
I'm
through the
saying.
use of social media, we can reach that medical, security in just a click away or
If
a call
anyone need
away.
any
Yeah, in the
blood group,
past lockdown,
I am
if
any
we
agree
saw
blood
with
that
group
If
you.
we
and
social
blood.
want to
media has been
donate
are
blood
Media is
helping
and
not
people.
Yes,
everything
yes,
like
yes.
that, we
just
can do it
profitable.
through social
It
media. So
will be
without social media, we cannot
right and the
imagine
security
our
agency
lives right
also
now.
Yes,
Yeah.
sorry
I
for
agree with
interrupt you,
you,
but
Aditi, but I
I
want
add some
Yeah,
more
to
today's
point.
add some
current
points.
Easy to
scenario is
become
like
addicted
we
and
all
To
research
add
depended on
points,
social
ways
executive
media,
who
powers
and
spend too
ensure
it's
much
very
time
that
on social
people
beneficial
can
for
media.
us.
share their views and work with others. It allows people to explore and become actively involved without the fear of rejection. It is all about of social media.
Friend, spending time
No,
is
it is not so that
depend
people
upon
are
the
not
person. Now
fearing
it
about the rejection.
will
They are
depend
fearing
upon the
just to
person
get
how
the
much
excitement
he
from
or
the
she is
fans
spending
who
on
are
social
coming
My
to
media.
friend,
see
I am
them
agree with
used to
So
you.
utilize
it's
social
in
media
our
So
for
friends,
hand,
as
right?
Here that
Like we
what is
have to
very
during
decide
important
lockdown
about
what
that
we
social
want to
media.
watch
It
on
is
the
social
people
media
depended on
and what
social
we
the
media,
don't.
social
It's
and
totally on
because
our
it's
choice.
beneficial for the
Sorry
small
to interrupt you, people, but
businessman.
I think we should
so much
go in a
plus
coordinated
than
manner,
compare with the
Yes,
demerit
yes,
of
yes,
social media.
yes.
So
Yes, yes.
because it is
we
becoming
don't
very chaotic and
criticize the
nothing is
social
audible,
media.
right?
We have to leave those person who will use it. How to use it? It is more important than the social media. Without social media, we are don't assume our life in modern society.
Yes,
Exactly.
but
I
we
would
are
like to
Yes,
highlight a
yes, I
point
Agree
over
support
with
here.
you.
that.
Definitely, you
Social
cannot
media
assume your life
activities and
without
as
social media.
government safety organizations
won't get they
Yes,
get
help
I
in
support, but
people
need
staying
some
safe
point.
while living.
Add a.
when people
Yes, I
don't get
support,
likes
but need
on
some
social
points,
media,
friends,
they
my
think
friends.
they think
Social
that
media becoming addicted,
people
and
are not
research
liked
shows
by
that a student who spend so much time on social media and suffer from poor sleep.
Friends, I would suggest.
Yes,
Sorry to
I would
interrupt
suggest
you,
a
but
point. I would
addictions
according to
can be of
suggest
any
a point
type,
that
right?
beneficial
So why social
for
media
nowadays.
addictions can be of any type. Like if you are smoking, if you are drinking, then these are also addictions, right? But they
Exactly.
don't provide us any good.
my friend,
Social
but
media
Anything is
provides.
not
Sorry
good.
for interrupting you, but and for or some
media,
need
what
point
kind of
like
effect
depression, anxiety, cyberbullying
also impact
My
on
friends, yes, I
our
want to
become
inform you
addicted
that
from social
it is
media.
very helpful
Friends, I want
nowadays
to add a
because
point
in
that
present
we all
scenario,
are
the marketing is all totally based on social media.
You can also
And
come
all
out
major
from
events
I would
are
those
also
totally
like to
dependent on
highlight a
social
point
media.
that in the
They
past
get
lockdown
social
that we have
media.
recently faced.
But it is not verified.
I would also like to highlight a point that the past lockdown that we have recently faced, social media has incredibly helped the people, and it has been actively helping the people across the world, right? So
Yes,
that is
yes, yes.
something that we really need to consider and we really need to think about it, because you see, demerits and merits are available with everything. It's not just social media, right? It's everything. It is the
Friend,
person who
everyone is
it is the
I
person who
want to
has
add
to
one more
choose
point.
between the demerit and the merits. So it totally
Today's
depends
Just
upon the
talking
people.
about the
And also a
addiction,
point was
I would suggest
raised
a
about
point
the
that
addiction of the social
we are
media.
living in
I
an
definitely
artificial
believe
intelligence. No, we are living in an artificial intelligence.
that
And with social platforms,
depended
on the users that how
can
detect using it.
who
And how much
a
a person is using that platform.
add on the
So
And like
parental
social
control
media,
by the help of
media
parental control, we can
Because
reduce
we
the
get all the
addiction.
things
Anyone
instantaneously.
it is also one of the major sources of entertainment, which is very helpful nowadays.
So I would
If
like to
people are
highlight a point over there.
facing from
Like
depression, then
if
it
we
is very
compare
helpful
social media
entertainment or
from the
videos.
traditional medium where it was television or newspaper, it was very difficult to voices our opinions through that. So I guess social media is a great platform to show our information and content over this. And also I would like to say that like social media has a great impact by using the collaboration, or like if we say we use hashtags on Twitters. These are the things which pushes the government to do their duties. So I would like to say it helps in
Yes, yes, yes.
helps in the
Yes, yes.
It helps us
improving the
directly
society.
to connect with
I
the
would also like to add a
recently
point that it is
yes,
really
I
useful for
also like
raising
to
awareness
held.
among people,
few
right?
minds.
I would also like to
Like
add a point
We can
that
criticize the
raising
government,
awareness
we can
among
criticize
people
the
is
government
very, very important in nowadays.
on social
And
media.
social media has really participated very well in raising awareness in many of the topics nowadays, like women empowerment and
Exactly,
other such
exactly.
things. Yeah, so that
Recently,
is
a
something that
campaign
we
was
really need
launched.
to
Yes,
consider
Recently,
about
a
social
and
media.
campaign
even
launched
it
by the railway
provide
station.
us the
If
platform for
anyone is
having
aware
the
of that,
justice.
It have also demerit, like by the social media you can easily access the someone's account, and so social media is also used for a dark
no,
web,
you cannot easily access the someone account, friend. There is
society.
an end-to-end encryption.
It is a criminal
Many more
activity,
things.
and criminal activity must be
It is a
punished.
criminal
Criminals
activity.
must be
Yes,
punished
you
for this.
cannot
Cyber.
easily access anyone account until or unless you are given
Yes.
any password to
But
him.
access
You
to
cannot
photographs
access
is
it.
available. Access to photographs of others is available.
Cyber
And
security
so
you have an option. You have an
Sorry to
option
you,
in
my
that. You
friend.
can private your
Some hard
photographs.
skill
You
and
can
some
private your
experiences
photographs.
also tell us that without giving the password, you can anyone can access your details.
many of the
Company access
hackers
your
are present
details.
which can
There
easily hack all those email
in this
accounts.
parliament session,
Sorry to interrupt
we
you
can see
people, but
that
I would
the
also like to
PDP
add a
bill
point.
is going to be passed. PDP bill, and it will
A
help us
point
to
that, sorry to interrupt you, but a point that I would also like to add is the platform that social media gives to various people. There are people who can't afford the media right now, the publicity and
Exactly,
all,
that's what I
they
said.
can't afford financially. Okay, so that is social media is something that has given a platform to such people to express their thoughts and to raise awareness among people. So that is something that should really be that is really considerable and should be considered for a social media, right? So
Exactly, that is a very
according,
economical
Yes,
and
I
very
agree
cheap
with you,
medium
Siddhi.
to
And
share
even
yeah,
the
from the
information.
women point of
financially it
view,
has.
if we see
is
from the
very
women point of view that there are many women who are facing, some sexual harassment and everything like that, and they are not able to report it in the police stations or things like that because of their family, because most of their family doesn't support, and through social media they can easily, fight for their justice. We have seen this hashtag Me Too movement and everything like
Yeah,
that.
definitely.
They
And
just
not only
reported
women,
to
but there are
social
certain
media.
men and people around the world who are not getting a stage to expose themselves or to find a perfect
their voices.
Yeah,
exposure
I
for
agree with you,
themselves.
Siddhi,
Like
that we can share our views in social media. We can share all the opinions regarding the current happenings, the
There are more
current
cyber crimes in India than
topics,
any other
which is
crime. So how can we say that girls are safe because of social media? They are getting in more problems because of social media these days.
No, they are
No,
not
he's not
getting.
saying
Yes, yes.
he's not saying like
Girls
he's safe
can,
or
and
not.
even people can reach to global connection through social media. They can say that, yeah, this is happening to me, and this is the
helps can be
person
taken from the social
who
media.
is
Yeah,
taking
helps
this
can be
thing.
taken.
yes, I am
I
agree
have
with
I
you.
have read
By
I
the
have
use of
sorry to
social media,
interrupt you
you
guys,
can
but I have read a case
feeling
yesterday
with a lot.
about a Ola
So there
driver
is not
that
a matter of safety, it a matter of concern how you can easily express the feeling with a lot of people by a single click.
we
can
can post it to Facebook or things like that, and then the nearby people can come across and help that person who is in danger or who is in that thing. But if we
Yeah,
don't have
definitely. In
Twitter
the
is
social
past
also one of the
lockdown, we
most
have
helpful
seen
we
that
thing
don't have
because we
many
can
social
reach
times,
media,
right?
then
our
we can't
local
rely
police
on our
station
Indian
or
police,
local
that
authorities.
means they don't come on time, and you can't rely on that thing.
And the
At least
social
we can
media.
rely on
But
news
it
more
is
than
a
anything
negative
else,
view
because
also,
without news,
and
it
because the
does
fake
not without
information, the
business.
fake information is
It does not
also be
looks into account like whether the information, whether the news is right or wrong. It just
But you
takes the
have to have
yes.
you need to have that knowledge. You have to check. You can believe on everything what's written on the internet. You have to check the authenticity and the verify it whether it's true or not.
There is no way to verify it.
And I am agree with
How
Believe
is
that
that?
It is,
You have to
and
And
look
if
at
even
the
people
even
go
a
and
Even
social
I
see
am
media,
that
look at the
person, if
sources. You
he
have to
is
look at the
in
person who has
the
posted.
help,
Sorry to
right or
interrupt you
wrong.
guys, but I would also like to highlight a
even a
point.
social
The social media has really helped in the economic growth of the countries as well, because you see there are many marketing schemes that are going on the social media, and people are earning through it, and definitely it is going to finally result in the economic growth of the country. So that economic wise also, social media has been quite helpful for the economy.
yes, I agree with
Yes,
you.
I
I
agree
am
with
It
you.
agree
gives
with
us
you.
a
LinkedIn,
lot of
As a social
employment
helps
as
the
well.
finding the job.
we
LinkedIn is
can
the
play
one of the
add on the
yes.
greatest
social media
example of
very
how
easily.
networking
I
over
think
social
Pooja
media has
Kumari has got a
helped.
point to say,
Being
so we
add
should
on
give
the
her a
TV and
chance,
radio is
right?
very costly. So the
Yes.
social media changed the way of marketing.
Yes, over to
Yeah,
you,
it
Pooja
gives
Kumari.
helpful for
I think we should give her
Yes,
a
small
chance.
businessmen.
yes. Social media can help finding a job. This is the very good example of our one app. LinkedIn is one of the greatest example of how networking over social media has helped people in finding the jobs in domain of their interest. And LinkedIn, all other apps, social media's very aspects of Domino's, Zomato. This is the power of social media.
Exactly, I totally
Yes, I
Yeah,
agree with
agree
you.
with
definitely.
you.
Yes, I
The
agree with you.
marketing
I agree
scheme
with
is
you,
something
Pooja.
that should be
That
really considered in the social media
highlighted.
world.
Siddhi said that it is improve. Social media is improving economy. But if you see
And
Siddhi, that social media is also responsible for the personal losses. For example, fake news, fake accounts,
Right,
Yeah.
right. Fake
and
accounts are
Yes,
there.
yes, I support.
Demerits of social media. It's the demerits of
that
social media. Fake
misinformation that
circulation
Yes,
of
my friend, I
news.
am agree with you. But when you compare the merit and demerit, you will find the merit is so much than the demerit. So
Yes.
yeah.
Every
Yes,
point
I'm
has
just
Yes,
two
adding the
sides.
and
point.
I
I'm not
we
support,
saying that
but
cannot
is on
as
imagine
a
our
the
life.
point
greater manner.
highlighted, social media have increased level of negative emotion. Every emotion is negative. Every on student.
how can you
Not
say
every emotion is
I also want
negative,
to
but
add one
yeah,
point that it is
it is a
helpful
greater
for
part.
the people because
when you
they
feel
get to
afraid,
know
when you
the all the
feel
latest government schemes.
afraid, you can use the social media for
All the government
the
schemes are to
music.
easily
So
available to the local people
and a
of the
quality
country, all
time
the
to
people of the
spend in a
country.
friend with. You can easily make a video call to your friend. By this getting you overcome from your frustration. You can share your views. You can share easily your day-to-day life problem with your families, with your friends
Yes.
very easy by
Yes.
this
Yes, I support.
Yeah,
You can
so the,
yes,
what
you can
like
Right.
express
need
your
to
emotions.
point the
You can
international
express your
social
exposure.
emotions to your
discussion, sir.
friends
Stay
through
negative
video
effect.
calls, through calls.
Else are also getting deteriorated because of social media. Their eyes are also getting strained because of social media and online classes. This is another demerit of social
Yes, I
media.
want to add one point that
Yes, yes, I support,
we are doing
but
a
need some
group
point.
discussion on the Zoom call, and it is also a social media platform. We are doing a Zoom call here, and it is also a social media
As a
platform.
friend said,
last pandemic,
Yes, I
either getting
agree
it
with
or
you.
getting
Even
it.
in
Talking
times
about the
of
how
cases
this
of the
online
online
classes
classes,
help.
right? Sorry to
even
interrupt you
in
guys, but I would
times
also like to
agree with
highlight
you.
the online class
Social
statement that
media
was just passed by one of our students. I would also like to highlight that the online classes thing that one of the students just said. The online class has really helped the students all across the world in the past lockdown and the last pandemic that we have really suffered, and we are still suffering.
Yes, it was a
So that
revolutionary
is the
start.
Yes.
I agree
cases.
with
So the
my friend.
cases that we have seen for the
Social
negative and the
media make a
positive
revolution
one,
in
the positive
education
ones are
sector.
quite high than the negative cases. So that is something that we really need to consider as an exception, the negative cases, and positive
But there
cases are
yes,
so high
yes,
that
Siddhi,
it has
I
started
Agree
the
with you,
We
Siddhi. I
revolution.
are
agree with you.
we are
agree
discussing
with you.
GD on a.
Even our
Not a
educations are
revolution.
continuing
social
because of
media.
the
So
social
their
media and
education
online
doesn't give
classes.
Discuss
Children
about
are
this topic
not
just because of social
losing
media.
their 1 year or 2 year through this pandemic, and we don't know how much we are going to, face this pandemic for how much long time. Then this social media is the only way to continue our studies, our
Yes, online
employment, our
education is the
everything.
best
Also,
example of it.
I would like to highlight a point that
we are doing
in the
group
past
discussion.
lockdown, we have seen
It
that
is
people
also
are
a
suffering depression and anxiety and
merit
such
of a
cases.
social
Okay,
media.
all across the world, we have seen that the cases of depression and anxiety were going on increasing in the past pandemic that we have suffered, and we are still suffering. So social media has really helped people to overcome that thing, and means all across the world, incredibly, it has helped us. That is a thing that we should really consider as a positive point of social media and go according to it.
But
Okay,
many of the people
sorry to
cannot
interrupt you.
access social media
Time is
because many people
actually
prefer
time is
zero
over now.
because
Sorry to interrupt you. Actually, time is over now. Then any one of you just conclude. Any one of you
Yes, I want
just
to
conclude the
conclude, sir.
topic.
Yes, sir. I want to conclude that.
Yes.
I want to conclude that social media is a
of social media,
boon
then
to
the
us,
positive
boon
and
to
the
the
society.
human behavior.
If we do not look into this matter as soon as possible, there would come a time would come when our health as well as wealth would be lost because of social media.
Okay, thanks for joining us.